Alright guys, well, now we're gonna head to the trail. Are you ready, Dukkie? They can bring us down here, bud. Well, this is 52, one of the camping deals, but it's a beautiful day for a hike. There it is. Arrow. It's right there. All trails, guys. Appalachian Trail. Nice. As you know, 3 weeks ago we were at the same campground and we were over there and we went that way around. So now the trail would come through here and work its way back. And now we're on the Appalachian Trail. And there's a nice overlook to what we want to go do and see. So come along, enjoy the trail. American Freedom Tour 2023, fired up. Let's get fired up. Ow. Good boy. So everybody knows on this trail, when I do these trails, I do have ointment and stuff for his paws, and I also have a dog medicine kit. I'm thinking about going over to the Meadows Lodge. They have a restaurant, tap room, I think store. Me or him? Oh.
Well, you know. Go either way. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Traveling through, huh?
Oh yeah.
How long you been on?
Only 13 days.
Only?
Only 13 days. Well, when you got 100 and something to go, it's like, 13's kind of low.
That's how you're going? So 120,
Georgia.
120, going to Georgia?
Yeah, so 1,025.
Nice.
It started in Harpers Ferry.
So you're heading back that way, I would assume, right? Or is it that way?
South.
Is it?
Yeah,
okay.
I'm going south. So I'm a flip-flopper.
Yeah.
So I'm starting in the middle, doing half, and then I'll stay out the winter months and then go back and do the other half.
Okay, cool. So you're going to go like to Springer Mountain?
Yes.
The beginning of it?
Yep.
Awesome.
Yep.
I'm up there all the time. I'm heading there actually right after this. I'm going over to Gainesville, Georgia, which is in that area.
Oh, cool.
It's a little bit south of that.
Yeah.
So.
Nice. Nice.
I'm traveling in a van and stuff like that, but
cool.
meanwhile.
That's a nice way to go too.
Yeah. Awesome. Enjoy.
Yeah, man. You too.
Thank you. Man, give her a lot of credit. 120 miles. She's done 13 days so far. She's going to Georgia. It's so awesome. I'm actually going to think about doing that sometime. Wow. We're down here, buddy. So nice, fresh air. That takes you to the road. So south, north, Big Meadows 0.9. Hey. Rock Spring Hot 2.2. Hey, come here. Dukkie. Oh, shoot. Now, would you look at this? Oh, Jesus. So we came down there, and the Appalachian Trail actually keeps going that way and continues north. But we're gonna hit this road, go across, hit the Big Meadows, and then take this all the way back to the campground. Big Meadows 1.5 miles, horse trail. It's only 1.5 miles. Let's do it. Come here. So I would say another 2 more miles, so it'll be a total of 3.5 miles today. break with some water. Take a break. Come here. So you're taking a break. We're about 1.6 into, I think we'll be at 3.5, so we got roughly about 2 more miles left to finish up the trail. So we're off the Appalachian Trail, now we're on Big Meadows Horse Trail, which you can bring horses up and down this, which we've seen some horse poop on the way up. Someday on the Appalachian Trail though. Now he sees some good size doe. Holy shit! Another one spooked. Whoa! Come on. I didn't know deers made that noise. Come on. Since you've seen those deer, it's all fired up. Let's take another break. We have no rush to get out of this beautiful woods. Look at this. This is nice right here. It's grass. Soft, so we're gonna find a soft spot, put my towel down. And for meantime, come here. Want some water? Some water? This little plant looks like a clover. A little cold now, little Dukkie. A little chilly. Little horses. 3 deer up here, according to these, or people, I should say. Oh yeah, right there. Nice. We're getting to the end. This is the road. And we'll take the road to the right, and they'll take us back to our campsite. Yeah, so when we come back through, we'll stop here at 23. Grab that one. This is what I'm saying right here. I could actually live in that deal and feel comfortable as a mofo.